Hello everyone, hope you guys are well. So in my last videos, I showed you how to use these 2D and 3D shapes in 3ds Max. Now I'll show you how to use modifiers and modify these shapes into different interesting shapes. So first of all, let's select the cylinder, and if you press F4, so you can see the segments of the cylinder. It's up to you whether you want to select this or no, and if you press go back, it will come to its normal default shading. So what I'll do, it already has this taper tool, but I'll just remove this taper tool, and we can try it again. So we can press taper. So now what's gonna happen is, as you can see, this is the original shape of the cylinder right now. So what you will do when you will change the amount, so you see how it has started to affect the upper part of the cylinder. So that's how you can do it with any shape. So now it has become something else. So I'll leave it like this. And then if you go to the curve, it's gonna affect it in the curvy way. So that's how our cylinder looks right now. And if you press the I, you can't see the effect of paper anymore. You just see the original shape of the cylinder. You can always go back to cylinder and change the radius and the height of the cylinder. And you can go back to taper and change. So that's how your cylinder looks like. I'll just go back and increase the height. And you can also will go to modifier and you can use pen tool. So with the pen, as you can see the angle, again if you press on the angle, that's how your pen will do. Your cylinder will bend into the other directions. And if it's zero, it just comes back again to the normal thing. And also it changes so if I'll change this and if I'll change the direction, so that's how it will revolve around the direction that you want. So that's how you use pen tool. If I'll go here and select this, and if you press F4, then I can see the segments of my shape again. So what I'll do is now I'll select this rectangle, and I'll go to edit poly here. So in this edit poly, you can see there are different selections here. So first select this one, and I'll go to any of the I'll select point, and if I delete it, I'll delete. Or if you move it a bit, so that's how it's gonna look like. You can move it high or low. So that's how it looks like. If I select this, so what it's gonna select a line between the 2 points, and that's how it's gonna raise or move. If I'll go here, but if I'll go and select this one, so that's how it's gonna select the whole box, and then you can move it around like this, or we can delete this one You can delete this one. I can delete the upper part. If I select the box, it's gonna select the whole thing. So we don't want that. So that's how our box rectangle look like now. So now what's we're gonna do is we'll go back and we'll select the whole thing. We'll go to modifier again and we'll go to the list and type shell. So you see how it has given the shell to the to your box. Before it was plain, before it was very thin. Now it has added another shell to your modified box here. So and the places that you deleted also got the shell. You can change the shell by here, increasing or decreasing the inner amount and also the outer amount. You can change the segments too of the box. Okay? So that's how you use the different modifiers here. Now I'll show you how to use sweep tool. So I have created this a rectangle here. So what I'll do, I'll select the rectangle and I'll go back to modifier list and I'll type sweep. Yeah. So now the sweep has given it an angle shape, so it looks like a window now. But you can select this one and you can go to this use built-in selection. So now it's on angle. So if you go to the bar, it will create into a bar or channel like a beam, or it becomes a cylinder now. So that's how you can change into different parts, round, half round, 5. So there are different things that you can use in this sweep tool. So I'll select cylinder for now, and that's how you're gonna use it. If I'll go to bar, then you can always change the length, width of your radius, corner radius. So see how it has given a curve at the end. So that's how you use the sweep tool. Now I'll create another box here, or maybe I'll create a cylinder here. Again, you can change the height of the cylinder. And I'll go to modifier. I'll write twist, and you can change it. You can change the angle by this. So you can see how your cylinder has twisted. So that's how it's gonna look. So that's the original shape of the cylinder, and that's the twisted version of the cylinder. If we'll drag the bias, so it will change. It will either make your cylinder more curvy from the bottom or from the top, or will keep it equally curved all over the cylinder. So it's up to you how you want to keep or you want to change the cylinder. So see how it looks like. So that's how you're going to change it, and it's in the y. Depending to it, the x-axis, it will change. Recommended putting it into y-axis only. So that's how you use the twist tool, and you can always go back to the cylinder and change the height and length of the cylinder.